Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of NFT marketplaces and comparing two of the most popular platforms, OpenSea and Blur. If you're a creator, this video will help you choose the best platform for your work. Let's get into it. OpenSea. OpenSea is one of the most established NFT marketplaces out there, known for its user-friendly interface and extensive collection of digital art, collectibles, and more. Here are some of its standout features. Wide variety of NFTs. OpenSea offers a vast range of categories, from art to virtual real estate. Creator royalties. OpenSea allows creators to set and earn royalties on secondary sales. Strong community. OpenSea has a massive user base, which means more exposure for your NFTs. Blur. Blur is a newer platform that focuses on speed and low fees, offering an advanced trading experience for both creators and collectors. Its key features include low fees. Blur charges minimal fees on sales, giving creators a bigger share. Advanced tools. Blur provides advanced trading features like analytics and real-time pricing for those who want to track their NFTs more closely. Creator incentives. Blur offers additional incentives for creators through its token reward system. Which one is better for creators? OpenSea is the go-to if you want access to a larger market and exposure for your NFTs. Blur is perfect if you're a creator looking for low fees and advanced tools to optimize your sales. Let me know which marketplace you prefer for selling your NFTs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. See you in the next video.